To install GIMP on Windows 10, simply go to Google and search for Install GIMP. From the results, click on the Download GIMP link under the GIMP.org website. On the page, scroll down to the bottom and click on the Download GIMP directly button. Save the executable file, then double-click on it to launch the GIMP installer. Follow the steps of the installer. Click on the Finish button. Now GIMP is installed. To install GIMP, Google Install GIMP, then click on the GIMP download link from the result page under gimp.eu website. On the page, scroll down to the Windows section, then next to the .exe installer subtitle, click on the Stable button. Save the executable file, then double-click on it to launch the GIMP installer. Follow the steps of the installer, then click on the Finish button. Now, you can test GIMP by opening GIMP, then create a new image, or open an existing one. Then, click on the Filters button from the top bar menu and click on GIMP Qt button. You will have a list of all the installed filters that you can choose from.